is A. This is page 14. Now look at the picture. First picture. Where is number 1? What is this? What is this? It is a kite. What color is it? It is purple. Look at the second picture. What is this? Where is the second picture? This. What is this? It is a house. What color is it? It is white. Third picture. Look at the third picture. What is this? It is a tree. What color is it? It is green. Fourth one. What is this? It is a cap. What color is it? It is blue. Look at the fifth picture. What is this? It is a ball. What color is it? It is yellow. Look at the sixth picture. Where is 6? Look here. Number 6. Where is number 6? Number 6 is here. What is this? It is a book. What color is it? It is red. Number 7. Where is number 7? Find this. Look here. This number 7. What is this? It is a door. What color is it? It is blue. And the last one. What is this? It is a mat. What color is it? It is orange.